Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is AJ Writes Crypto, and this is your week 8, 9, 10 portfolio update. As you know, we have not done a portfolio update on this channel in a couple weeks because, as I've said on my live stream, when the market's falling, I'm buying stable coins, for this video. Do I buy my personal bags on the way down the hill? A little bit. But as the market's falling, it's kind of hard to get behind, doing a big giant DCA. So for this public portfolio, as I said on the live stream, I've been buying stable coins. But now I feel like we reached a place where I feel comfortable buying at lower levels, even if it continues to fall further. Where we're going to sell is much higher than where we are now and where we're going to fall to. So it's really about, playing the long game with these portfolios, and that's what we've been doing here. So, and we are going to do our very best to keep it weekly from here on out. So first of all, let's start at my portfolio, which I've been doing $500 a week. The last time I did $1,000 in the graph because that was for 2 weeks of investing. As you can see, I'll just go through what I'm up and down for this portfolio. I'm down $22 on Algorand, down 236 on the graph. Ouch. I'm up 104 on HBAR, down 56 on VeChain, down 197 on Sand, up $12 on the Phemex token, down 137 on Pal AI. Unfortunately, I'm up 131 on Phantom and down 53 on Avalanche. For the first time making this video series, this portfolio is below entry. I have $4,000 invested in this portfolio. I'm down $454. The total of the portfolio currently sits at $3,546, and I am down 11.3%. But hey, we started doing these portfolios kind of as we were coming up the hill, from February into March. And then from that top in March, when the graph was at 50 cents, when we made the video with Gigi in Florida, in Miami, that was kind of the local top for this portfolio and for these portfolios. And since then, we've been down the hill. But guess what? I'm not alone. You probably have a portfolio that's down. This is a newer portfolio. My personal portfolio, well in the green. The two portfolios I built on this channel before these two portfolios are still well in the green. But right now, we are ebbing and flowing with the market, and we are playing the long game. I am not ashamed to say that my portfolio is down 11% that I've built on this channel. I'm going to stick with it no matter what, because over time, you will see the progression, and you will see this portfolio probably at least, 5, 7, maybe even 10x over time. So I have $1,500 of money to play with this portfolio now. As 3 weeks have gone by, I'm going to keep $500 of it in stable coins. And I really want to, target some of the coins that I'm down on. As I said, I'm down $236 in the graph. I'll show you the chart on that one after Jada does her portfolio. So I'm going to put $200 in the graph, $200 in VeChain, $100 in Phantom, 100 HBAR, 100 Algo, 100 Phemex. I want to kind of bolster up the coins I already have, but I am adding a new coin to the fray, and that coin is no other than AERO, AERO. That one has been on my watch in my personal portfolio. I bought a lot of it, probably a month, 3 weeks ago, something like that. And if you look at the chart right here on your screen, this is a project I really suggest you keep your eye on. It did have its big giant run up, way earlier on, even from say the beginning of March to the local top, up 419% in 41 days. Pretty sick run. But guess what? It has kind of found a little floor here at support resistance, and looking good on the daily. We got a green dot on Market Cipher B, a negative 320 on the dual band strength index, where anything above a 14 is a strong degree of certainty. I feel like we've seen this coin up in the $2.37 range. I feel pretty safe buying some AERO at $1.21. Even if this coin, turns around and goes down from here, eventually it will break out. I think this is a solid sleeper pick that is outside of the top 100 that, I want to have more risk in this portfolio. And I think this is a solid project to do that with AERO. So now, without further ado, I do want to bring the Glitter Queen into the fray here. Let me pull up your portfolio so you can talk about that. So here we are at the Glitter Queens portfolio. It is a $100 per week DCA.
Why are you doing my bit? This is my part. Also, do you need the headphones on?
I like the headphones.
All right. Well, AJ gets headphones and I don't. Oh, but oh, this is weird.
Uh-huh.
I'm learning. Anyway, I don't like this. Take them off. Take them off.
Okay. Do your portfolio.
Those are freaky. Alrighty. So my portfolio, just like AJ, it's down a little bit more. We're down about 13%. I am up $2 in the graph. And that is something I just have to because it's amazing and I love the graph. I'm down $20 in the oh my gosh, V-Chain. I don't know why in the V-Chain. I'm also down $27 in Algorand, $12 in HBAR, and $50 in ADA. That being said, we're talking about DCAing and we're obviously here for the long-term game. So I'm going to do $100 into Cardano and another $100 into Algorand, saving my last $100 to just chill in a stable coin for now. I want to see if things correct a little bit more. I'm not rushing into anything, but ADA and Algo were my biggest dumps. So I'd like to even that out a little bit.
Totally.
So, here we are. Sorry we missed you guys for 3 weeks, but it's been a little bleak.
Yeah, well, we were traveling. Then we both got very sick.
Yeah.
That
unwell.
Yeah, very unwell. That wasn't fun. So, we are making a comeback on the portfolio, and we will do our best to do this series every week as we started off on, regardless if the portfolios are up or down. This is crypto. This takes time. This isn't, a representation of how good or bad anyone is at crypto. We're just building portfolios over time. And I guarantee as we continue to build these two portfolios over the next year and a half, as we get into the bull run, things are going to get interesting. And I'm certainly looking forward to that. So before we close the video today, I do just want to do a little bit of technical analysis for you all here. We are looking at Bitcoin, and there is no argument, Bitcoin is in a down channel. All right. And on the 4-hour chart, it is kind of waking up, it went all the way down to the 55, 56 range. It's currently at 59.3. We really want to see Bitcoin get back above this support resistance level right here around 61,000. That is a deal breaker. And then once we can get out of that, we can try to break out of this downtrend that we've been in for quite some time. So, it is a part of the game. This could get bloody. It could get worse from here. I'd feel a lot better once we're above 61,000. But, this is crypto. We are playing the long-term game. So I just want you to be aware of the fact that, we have come up a little bit in the past, day or so. But, just like how we came up right here and eventually got shut down at, the upper band of this downtrend, we are going to monitor this situation very closely and see if we get break out or go back down into the downtrend. And that will, kind of determine if we're going to keep buying stable coins or if we're going to be buying more altcoins. And then also, I wanted to take a quick look at the graph. And what I will say about the graph on the 12-hour chart is that look at where the graph bounced above. Oh, let me get my brush here. Right here, the graph bounced above its 2023 high. This massive support resistance level from, last year. It is really bullish to see the graph kind of put up, kind of this bullish divergence playing out here, coming up in the oscillator, coming up in the money flow, negative 517 on the dual band strength index. We would like to see the graph get back above some of these conditional range trades from the Telegram group, but it is bullish that it did 2 times now put up a fight at the 2023 all-time high. And I feel like, maybe this could be a good floor level for the graph, which is why I feel, very comfortable buying the graph in this week for my portfolio. If you want to join the Telegram Alpha group that's been going on for well over a month now, it's solid group. There's over 110 people in it. We've been posting winning trades in this group just about every single day since it started. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you want to take it a little bit more serious, you want to study and focus just a little bit more, make sure you send an email to ajalphagroup@gmail.com. Take your trading to the next level. We will make it, and we will make it together. With that being said, my name is AJ Writes Crypto.
I'm Jada, the Glitter Queen.
And let us know down in the comments, what coins are you investing in? We want to know. We want to research them. We want to study and learn everything we can about all the projects you guys are buying too. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have yourself a safe rest of your day. Get rich.
Don't get wrecked.
Don't get wrecked. Later.